You can see I just got done playing some Attack from Mars. The beautiful color DMD installed. And I have the MPU board and the driver board sent in to me for repair. Now, this board came from, or these two boards came from a No Good Gophers, and the game was resetting. So I did several things to these boards. So let's start with power input. Replaced all these headers. 5-volt power output, replace that header there. Replace this cap, which is a 5-volt filter cap, and replace these 4 gangs of diodes that make up the equivalent of a bridge rectifier here. Now, if this was my game, I probably wouldn't have done that, but I want to fix this and not have this board set come back to me, so I took care of all that at one time. The MPU board had a little bit of corrosion here, and so I abated that, and it was throwing a G11 error, which is the game prom was not working properly, and that boiled down to a failed socket. So I replaced that 32-pin socket. I also put in a lower voltage reset generator. So there is very little probability that this board set is going to reset once it gets back into the No Good Gophers. So it's good to go. I'm going to get it back into the shipping for my happy client. Thank you so much.